Example 11 and 12. I would like you to do these on your own. You're going to set them up and find the actual volume using the calculator to evaluate. These are calculator active. Press pause now, do both 11 and 12. Then when you're done, come back and see how you did. Number 11. My axis of revolution is way up here at y equals 18. I'm going to draw a rectangle that is vertical because I'm going to rotate this vertically above the horizontal line y equals 18. And I want to use a washer. I'm going to identify my outer radius, which is from the axis of revolution to the outer curve, which is in this case the green parabola. The inner radius, axis of revolution, out to the curve. That should be all I need to set up the integral to find the volume. The volume equals, I'll pull out the pi, from the first washer at x equals -1 to the last washer, -1 is out here, to the last washer at 2. Then I will need my outer radius, which is going to be 18 minus the parabola, quantity squared. Then I'm going to take away the inner radius, which is going to be 18 minus the line, x plus 2. I'll put that in parentheses. Then I'm going to square the inner radius. I'm going to close out the bracket, and then I have my width of dx. After computing this on the calculator, you should get 738 pi over 5, or if you press a diamond enter to get the decimal, 463.699. In example 12, we have this quartic bounded in the first quadrant, and we're going to take this shaded region and revolve it about the vertical line x equals 2. This one's a little tricky because the outer radius, which is this distance here, I have my axis of revolution and I have my outer curve, but the outer curve is a constant, or it's the y-axis. So this outer radius is just going to be a distance of 2. And then my inner radius is going to go axis of revolution to the 4th degree curve. Let's set this up. Volume equals pi. Now the rectangle, if I were to draw the rectangle inside, the rectangle would be horizontal because I'm rotating it horizontally, and I desire to use washers. So my volume is pi from the first washer, which is going to occur at y equals 0, to the last washer, which is going to occur at y equals 2. I intentionally drew this here that you didn't know how far this went out because it doesn't matter. See, I want to take washer starting here and I'm going in this way, and so the last washer is going to be at 2. Now I'm ready for the outer and inner radius. The outer radius is going to be 2 minus, and you could say 2 minus 0 because x equals 0 for the y-axis, and we're going to square the outer radius. Now I'm going to find the inner radius, which is going to be 2 minus our quartic. Close off that, close off the radius, square the radius, and our thickness dy. Finding the answer on the calculator, you should get 1376 pi over 315. If you get the decimal equivalent, 13.723.